Good morning student, welcome back to the class of English 2. Today we are going to start our lesson 2 which is floating duck. We will start today our lesson 2 which is the floating duck. So please take out your English 2 book, keep finger on your book, I will explain and you try to understand. Dorothy is fond of toys. In this lesson, we are going to study about a girl whose name is Dorothy, and she was very fond of toys. She wants toys too much. One day she got a toy duck. One day she found a toy duck. The toy duck was able to float on water. It was able to talk also. And the toy duck was able to float in the water and it was able to talk also. It was in the fact as a computer duck. So some toys are there in which we are putting cells, it is working like that only. That toy duck was also like a computer duck. Dorothy became very happy. After seeing that toy duck, Dorothy became very happy. She was thinking about the floating duck all the time. And whenever she is sitting or doing any work, every time she was thinking about that floating duck. At night, she dreamed going to a riverside with her toy duck. And in night, when she was sleeping, she got a dream that she went to a riverside with her toy duck. The river was quite close to the sea, and that river was very close to the sea. In her dream, she put the toy duck into the water to start floating. And in her dream, what happened? She had seen that she has put the toy duck into the water and it started to float. There was a crowd of children and many children were standing beside her. They all congratulated Dorothy for having such a fine duck. And in her dream she seen that all students were congratulating Dorothy because she was having very beautiful toy duck. The next paragraph, the little duck was very happy and that duck was also very happy because it has seen so many children beside it. It began to float on water in the river. And what happened? That duck was floating in the water. In the river it was floating. The river was deep and large. And the river was very deep and it was very large. The waves of river water tossed the duck up and down. And the waves मतलब लहर, जो पानी का लहर था, that started toss, यानी कि duck को ऊपर नीचे toss करना शुरू कर दिया. The duck was thrilled. जब ऐसा हुआ तो duck थोड़ा सा excitement, it feels very excited what it is going on. It went away and away, and like this way it was going away and away. When it went very far, it got a little frightened. And when the duck went very far from Dorothy, it became very frightened. It scared. Duck got scared. Swish, there was a big noise. So suddenly what happened? There was a big noise. The little duck looked up. So the duck looked up and what it had seen, a very seagull was coming down towards it. A very big seagull was coming towards the toy duck. The duck gave out a frightened quack. So suddenly when the duck saw that seagull, it started to give a very frightened sound. At last the seagull pounced upon the little duck. And suddenly what happened? The seagull pounced. It jumped on the little duck. It picked the duck in its long beak and went up high. So what happened? The duck picked the seagull picked that duck into its beak and went very high. Dorothy shouted from the shore, and Dorothy, she can't able to do anything. She was shouting from the shore of the river. She had seen the girl picking up her little duck. So she had seen that the seagull had picked the little duck in her beak. She went home crying, and she seen that she started to cry and she went back. The gull was going away. Other seagull to come to see the catch. They started laughing at the gull. And other seagull also came and they joined that seagull which bought that toy duck. and they started, other seagulls started on that one seagull which had took that toy duck in its mouth. Next page number 13. It is a toy duck, not something to eat, they said. So they told that it is a toy duck, not something to eat. At that time, the gull was flying above the house of Dorothy. When this all conversation was happening among that seagulls, that time that seagull was flying above the house of Dorothy. It dropped the little duck in anger, and when that seagull heard that it is not a things to eat, she got anger. It got anger, and it just left the toy duck outside of the Dorothy house. She saw the little duck coming down. So Dorothy seen that duck was coming down. Dorothy stretched her hand, and little duck fell straight into her hand. And Dorothy, both the hands she stretched forward, and the little duck fell straight into her hand. Dorothy said, "Why did you go so far away, little duck?" So Dorothy asked to that little duck, "Why you went very far?" The little duck said, "I am sorry, Dorothy. I was so thrilled in the water. Will you go again?" So duck replied, "I am sorry, Dorothy, and I was thrilled in the water." Means when the waves were coming up and down, I was feeling too much excited. So that's why I enjoyed and I went very far. Again that Dorothy asks, "Will you do it again?" "No, I won't," said the little duck. Dorothy went inside the little duck and put her in the bed. So when the Dorothy asked, "Will you go do it again?" Then the toy duck told, "No, I won't." And Dorothy took the little duck in her hand and she put her in her bed. So this is the story of the floating duck. What is the moral of the story? If we are feeling very excited in any work, it doesn't mean that we have to do it till the result. We have to wait what is going to be. After that only we should take the decision. So please, as a homework, please read the chapter carefully and write the word power. Word power, as you have written last lesson, write the word power in your copy, English 2 copy.